My name is Shreya Ghosh. I'm a psychologist at Shri Healthcare Research International, Shri. In our organization, we give genuine efforts in context of overall health, well-being, growth, and development of the client. Here, we provide the clients a safe space to ventilate and to receive treatment. We encourage the clients to share their experiential learning. As this is an energy health psychology platform, much importance is given to the energy of the organization as well as the energy of every client. We practice interdependent work. We never try to make our clients depend on us for their well-being. Rather, our intention is to empower them, heal them, resolve their conflicts, and deal with their health problems effectively. With treatment and management, we work in prevention of mental health disorders and diseases by giving learning about different psychological techniques, learning to enhance life skills so that they can manage their life independently and interdependently. Within our team, we always try to follow the interpersonal skills that we teach the clients, like situation handling, conflict resolution, maintaining boundaries, etc. The workspace is really wonderful here. The term space used here is different from what is commonly understood. By space, we are not referring to the physical work environment. Rather, it is the internal space that we hold for each other as well as for the clients. It gives us the freedom of choice and encourages the clients to express themselves freely without the fear of judgment, rejection, to reach their maximum potential. Working in Shri has helped me as a psychologist to reach my own potential and to grow. In my journey in this organization, I have seen that the integrative psychotherapy techniques, along with the holistic techniques from our ancient wisdom to work on overall health, well-being, and life, is much more beneficial for the clients rather than focusing only on the symptoms or the disease. Lastly, I would like to express my gratitude to Shri Healthcare Research International, Shri. Thank you, Shangumitra ma'am. Thank you, Shri team. Thank you, whoever is listening to me right now.